In this video, I'll walk you through a Google Colab tutorial designed for beginners, where we'll cover the basics step by step, explore its key features, and help you get started with running your first code confidently. To start, Google Colab extension is available in VS Code, which allows you to connect to Colab environments, run and edit notebooks directly from your editor, and streamline your development workflow seamlessly. It allows you to access and use popular AI models directly through Google Colab AI without needing an API key, making it easier to experiment, run code, and integrate advanced AI features seamlessly into your projects. Colab allows you to write and execute Python code directly in your browser with zero configuration required. It provides access to GPUs, makes collaboration easy, and lets you share your notebooks effortlessly. The Getting Started section in Welcome to Colab provides an interactive environment that allows you to write and execute code, explore features, and learn how to use Colab effectively. It provides an interactive environment for data science, allowing you to write and execute code, analyze datasets, create visualizations, and experiment with machine learning models seamlessly. It also supports machine learning, enabling you to build, train, and test models directly within Colab, all while leveraging powerful tools like GPUs and pre-install. The Code button allows you to insert code cells. The Text button allows you to add and write formatted text in your notebook. The Run All button allows you to execute all the code cells in your notebook. Copy to Drive button allows you to save a copy of the notebook directly to your Google Drive. The Variables panel allows you to view and manage all the variables. The terminal allows you to run command line commands. The Toggle Gemini option allows you to enable or disable the Gemini AI features. Find and Replace lets you quickly search for specific text in a cell and automatically replace it with new text. Code snippets allow you to quickly insert pre-written blocks of code into your notebook to save time and avoid rewriting common patterns. The Data Inspector lets you view and explore variables like tables and arrays in a structured, spreadsheet-style format. Secrets let you securely store and access sensitive information like API keys without hard coding them into your notebook. The Files section lets you upload, download, delete, and manage files stored in your notebook's content directory. The Data Explorer lets you visually inspect, filter, and analyze datasets, like data frames, directly into spreadsheet-style view without writing code. To open a new or existing notebook, click File New Notebook for a blank notebook. Click the notebook's name at the top, delete the existing name, and type Colab Tutorial to rename it. In the code box, type Print Hello World. Click Text Cell to add heading, bold text, italics, and other markdown features. Using a hashtag in a markdown cell allow you to create a large heading to describe your content. Using two hashtag in a markdown cell allow you to create a smaller heading. Using two asterisks around a word or sentence makes the text bold in markdown. Using a hyphen at the beginning of a line creates a bullet point for a list. Click Close to finish. You have created a text markdown cell in Google Colab where you can write notes, explanations, headings, bullet points, bold or italic text, and other formatted content to organize your notebook clearly.